Welcome to our first episode of Random Races. Our random race of the day is shoe races. Oh yeah, my hand is exhausted. Okay, rules being of our random races are that each shoe must touch each step of the stairs. And if they do not, then you lose. We're going to do the races 5 times, and at the end of the show, you must comment
or leave a video response
saying who won, and if you give us the right person, drum roll please, you might win absolutely nothing. Let's begin.
Ready,
On your mark,
get set, go. Go get them, Sarah. I shall get them next time.
On your mark,
Set, go. Ha 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 ha. What? Now.